Okay, we have some new Floor 1 S9 Scientist. This is a model I've not heard of, but it's got a cool display here.
Yeah, we call it like pixel light. So it's more like engaged with, and also it got a scraper as well.
It also has the scraper.
And also the HydroBoost.
Wow. Now that thing's shooting out some water.
Yeah.
It has the auto mode.
Auto mode, maximum mode.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, suction mode.
Does this change color according to the dirt on the floor?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so we're at Tineco's event. Looks like we've got some new Floor 1 S9s. These look different. I've not seen this design yet before. Ecovacs is connected to it. We've got the Pure 1 S20. This looks like the Floor 1 Artist Series. This looks new. That looks new. Something's going on here. Something's different. I've not seen that yet before. This looks new. The i7 Fold. So I guess you fold it for storage. Huh. Got a dirty water tank. It is pretty lightweight.
There are the triggers here. That's the trigger.
Oh.
So you don't have to bend over under the table.
Oh, okay.
Every time I look at that, I'm just like, oh, my back quite fat now.
Does it go all the way flat?
All the way like 90 degrees.
Okay, so this is going to be a new design from Tineco. It's going to go all the way underneath it, but I like this. I originally thought this was going to be just for storage, but it's actually going to come in very handy as far as cleaning. This is supposed to release the middle of 2026. Okay, we've got Chris from Tineco.
Yep.
He's going to tell us we have a new i7 Fold, which we kind of talked about, but what else do we have new coming?
So this year we have presented several new products, actually all the brand new, but you can pass through. So this is i7 Fold. It's the most slim, most thin floor washer in the world right now. It's targeted people who live in the small space and who have a really small space to storage products, even though it's really convenient, really light to use it. And also we got a Floor 1 S9 Master. So that's Master integrates all the Tineco technology and the feature that's providing people that can choose, like to use the, to enjoy the products with different cleaning needs. So it got a 180 degree with green light.
So it's got a green light on the front?
Yeah.
Oh, it has a scraper.
There's a scraper. So
are you controlling that?
I'm not controlling it. So the scraper will automatically falling down when I pull back.
When you pull back, the scraper comes down.
Yep. So yeah, help me to drop some coffee. Drop some coffee.
Okay, that's pretty cool. When is this going to be released?
It's actually already released in the US markets 1 month. So let's moving forward. The products go through. When I pull back.
Oh, it's a squeegee.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also, if we match some of a dirty mess, I can press the
What does
bottom.
it shoot out? Hot water?
It's not. Yeah, you can choose the heated water. It's warm water.
Okay, warm water.
Yo, this is the bottom here, from handheld, and you can press the bottom.
So you can have warm water or cold water shoot out.
Yeah. So you can just wash it.
Does it have an auto mode that senses how dirty it is?
And this is,
Does that light change?
yeah, that's gonna be changed because it detecting when you're cleaning with the floor cleaning situation. If it's green, if it's blue, it means it's really clean. It's getting red, which means a little bit messy here.
Is there only one model of the S19 Master?
There's another model. It's called S7 Master.
S7 Master.
S6 Master.
Is it here?
It's not here.
Okay.
But the S9 Master is more premium of the Master
This is the
series.
premium brand.
Yep.
And is it available on Amazon right now?
Yes, Amazon.
Okay, what's the price point on it?
It's price point around like 600.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
For a premium Tineco.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good price.
Yeah. Thank you.